The political scene in Meghalaya seems to be changing by the day. In northeast India, the trend of the Congress party in forging an alliance with ruling coalition parties has been happening in the past. In 2015, 8 Congress MLAs in Nagaland had shown support to the government led by the Naga People's Front. Later, the 8 merged with the NPF after their suspension by the AICC. In Mizoram in 2018, the Congress party, though for a short time, had lent support to the BJP in a bid to become part of the CHAKMA Autonomous District Council. As far as Meghalaya is concerned, the same move had been taking place days ago, wherein 5 Congress MLAs showed their support to the NPP-led government with the BJP as one of the parties in the coalition. There have been multiple reactions from various quarters to this move by the Congress MLAs. On Friday, the state BJP president, Ernest Mowry, had expressed the party's dissatisfaction of the Congress supporting the MDA government. Mowry informed that after the party meeting held recently, a feedback was submitted to the central leadership in New Delhi and a response to the same effect is awaited.
About the incident take place, joining of MLA to support the government. So we have already sent the feedback to our central leader in Delhi, and we are awaiting for their reply, and they might ask about our decision. So you see, first of all, I have already stated in the press on that day, when this incident take place, we are not informed as the coalition partner in this MDA government. Let us seek first the clarification, then we'll see. Again, we'll discuss.